As the guiding hand at Eskom, Jacob Maroga is under pressure at a time of a performance described as stunningly poor by journalists. These are the cold facts: a 9.7 billion loss in the financial year, high coal costs through short-term contracts and lower sales. On top of this, a 30 billion rand bill for new power stations. Eskom is still drawing criticism for allowing government to halt its capital investment programme in 1998. Many believe this would have meant enough power for all by 2006, rather than blackouts in 2008. These results have been described as stunningly poor. How does it feel right now to be in charge of them?
We kept the lights on, and that was the most important priority. So I think from that perspective, as you know, we've not had any power disruptions or load shedding since April. I mean, it's been an excellent performance from that perspective. What
about the losses?
We anticipated the loss. I mean, let me just give you an example between an Eskom and maybe a mining company. A mining company, if the revenue is at a certain level or the price of gold is at a certain level, you look at your operations and you can shut down operations that are operating above your price of your commodity. We made the conscious decision to run our operations because if we do that, I mean, we know which power stations we can shut down to live within the cost line or the price line. But if we do that, the implication for the economy is huge.
All of this is going to raise questions about Eskom's ability to repay loans. How's that going to affect your capital project?
As a country, we need to look at that. It's not only an Eskom a problem only. If it was an Eskom problem only to make money, I mean, we can make those decisions. But the issue is, if the decisions we make have consequences to the economy, and the consequence we want is an economy and the country that is growing.
How likely is it there's going to be another tariff increase?
There will be increases. I mean, we are where we are in terms of tariffs compared to where we should be. There's still a big gap. Now, the issue is how quickly you get there, but there will be increases. Definitely, we're going to be putting an application in the next few months.